Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry. And today I have a cucumber and basil lemonade recipe for you. So we're gonna start off with some sugar, and then you're gonna add some hot water to that, just like hot water from the faucet is fine. You just want it to melt that sugar, or you can use simple syrup if you like. I just took a half a lemon and cut it and added it to the water. This is gonna help for flavoring and also just for the decoration and infusing. I'm also going to add a cucumber to this, and I removed the skin and seeds, and I added that in as well. And if you have like a strainer, one of those plastic strainers you can put inside of your container, you can do that also, because you'll probably want to remove all these goodies, or you can keep them in your glass when you drink them. I personally love them in there. So I'm gonna put the top on this guy, and then I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit because I'm trying to get the sugar incorporated in there. Next, I'm gonna add a basil leaf. You can add as much basil as you like, or if you want to skip the basil, you can of course do mint, or you can add a little bit of mint to this, but I really like basil. And I'm gonna top the rest of this off with lemon juice. You can freshly squeeze a lemon, but this lemon juice is pretty good, so I'm just gonna put the top on that and then shake that up. And after you have shaken it up, you want to put this in the refrigerator and let it sit for at least 24 hours just to let everything marinate together, and then you can serve it. As I said before, you can strain it or you can keep the goodies in there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.